Hello, everyone. I am so excited to tell you about this amazing event we have coming up in December. It's called Highway to Profits, Your Roadmap for 2022. In this 3-hour workshop, you will learn exactly what you need to know to drive your business on the highway to profits. We have 3 experts, Brenda B, myself, Mary Gaul, and Rita Boccuzzi, here to teach you what we know to help you drive your business on the highway to profits in 2022. Rita, why don't you tell us what you're going to teach us that day?
Thanks, Mary. I'm super excited to share the 5 pillars to leveling up your financial intelligence, which is a holistic approach to mindset mastery, empowering your money skills mastery, to learn what wise money people know and do what smart money people do.
That's fantastic. And then I get to teach everyone about how to make money simple, teaching you systems, tools, and habits to help grow and keep your profits with ease. And then we get to hear from Brenda B. What will you be sharing with us?
And I'm going to be sharing about entrepreneurial insanity. So how to avoid blocks and the pitfalls that limit your income and your influence.
Wow, I'm so excited for this. We're going to be 3 different experts in 3 time zones, but you can join us on Zoom. And it's always better when you learn with a friend. So we've created a BOGO, buy one, get one code for you to use during the month of November. So if you register before December 1st, you can bring a friend for free. Why not bring a friend or 2 or 5 and make 2022 an easy drive to more profits in your business? You can find the link to register below, and we hope to see you on December 8th at the Highway to Profits so you can have your roadmap for 2022. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.